Hi guys. So it's 12 o'clock now, and it's Rose Joseph's birthday, and we're here to surprise her. Okay, come on, let's go, guys. Baka malaglag ako. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Josa. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Sukat muna.
Sukatin mo na.
Sukatin.
Sa'yo sapatos to.
Kinuha niya lang doon.
Kasi,
Promise?
bilhin namin yung joke.
Sino? Baka may ano pa.
Uy, bago yan. Bago yan.
Hindi ka akin to.
Wow, let's see. Patingin naman daw dito. Patingin dito. Pakita mo both.
Ayan.
Wow,
Thank you nakakatawa.
cover.
Hindi, promise lang talaga to. Baka ibasa nila to.
Oh, say thank you. Message daw, message. Ma-message ka muna.
Dami sure yung paa mo eh.
Hindi, okay lang. Kasya na sa akin.
Oh, mag-message ka daw.
Oh, ano, okay, salamat. Kasi
Kasha,
first,
kasha. shit.
ang luwang.
Maluwang? Maluwang?
Oo.
Okay na yan, para pong matagal. Okay na yan. Para mukhang malaki naman paa.
Masakit sa paa yun. Okay, thank you. We're signing off. Ay, may any message?
Oh,
Wala lang, thank you.